Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon News search change, reorder count displayed, A/B testing versus orders. Let's get into it. Amazon is testing a new update on the search results page that could impact how customers make purchasing decisions. Until now, Amazon has displayed how many people bought a product, like 2,000 bought this in the last month. But now some sellers have noticed a new reorder count appearing next to certain products. This means customers will not only see how many people have bought an item, but also how many have come back to purchase it again. This could be an important shift, especially for consumable or frequently reordered products. Amazon appears to be running an A/B test with this feature, so not all users will see it yet. Some reports show that when searching for products like grip drawer liner, shoppers are seeing reorder data next to some listings. If this becomes a permanent feature, it could impact conversion rates significantly. A product with a high reorder count might seem more trustworthy to new buyers, while those without a reorder count could be at a disadvantage. This also raises questions about how Amazon might adjust its ranking algorithm. If reorder rates become a ranking factor, sellers will need to pay more attention to product quality and customer retention strategies. Encouraging repeat purchases could become just as important as initial sales velocity in maintaining strong search rankings. This change could also affect A/B testing strategies. Sellers typically run A/B tests for images, pricing, and content to improve conversions. But if reorder rates start influencing visibility, sellers may need to shift their optimization efforts accordingly. Amazon often rolls out updates like this leading up to major sales events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If this feature is fully implemented, it could change how customers compare products and make buying decisions. Sellers should keep an eye on their listings to see if this new data appears, as it could provide valuable insights into customer behavior and product performance. This is an important update to watch, and we'll share more details as they become available. Keep an eye on your listings and stay tuned for further updates. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.